Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture, we are going to learn about using the genitive to express non-existence and absence. So far, we've learned about using the genitive to express possession. But in Russian, the genitive is also used to express absence, non-existence, or lack, when something is not there or we don't have something. So for example, we could say, Sveta здесь. Is Sveta here? Нет, ее сейчас нет. No, she's not here right now. Because Sveta is not here, we put her in the genitive. And if we don't have something, we also have to use the genitive. So when we say that I don't have something, we're going to start off the construction the same way as we would for having something, so u plus the genitive. And then we're going to have нет plus the genitive of the thing we don't have to indicate non-possession. So we could say, for example, У Светы есть книга? Does Sveta have a book? Нет, у нее нет книги. No, she does not have a book. Or У Максима есть учебник? Does Maxim have the textbook? Нет, у него нет учебника. No, he doesn't have the textbook. And again, this is a very straightforward and predictable construction. We always do it this way. It's just not what we do in English, and you have to remember that when you have something, it is in the nominative, and when you don't have something, it is in the genitive.